blessing, not a curse. India is a nation with a large population, including 48.04% of female population. This country is a home to various people who follow different religions, ethnic traditions, and speak multiple languages. Hinduism is one of the most prevalent religions with over 966 million Hindus in India. I am talking about Hindu religion because I am a Hindu and I've had some strange encounters regarding the same topic before. In this video, you will learn about some specific details about this religion, menstruating women, and how lockdown has been beneficial. Hinduism as a religion with its rituals, temples, prayers, and more is especially restrictive. Temples with different laws are called sacred sites. Women especially are not permitted to participate in the whole holy place such as temples, or they're not even allowed to conduct religious rituals or to pray during menstruation. This is because in India, menstruating women are treated as impure and polluted. The myth, however, dates back to the Vedic period and is sometimes related to the killing of Vitrus by Indra, a Hindu god. For example, Veda proclaimed the culpable murder of Brahmana to be a menstrual flux every month as the woman took part in Indra's guilt against herself. There remains many taboos and misconceptions that preclude women from diverse social cultural aspects. This myth led to the creation of different taboos for menstruating women who are not encouraged to cook or feed, sleep with husbands, to touch sacred books or plants, to allow the bloodstains to be seen by a man, to wash hair, and more than not to just go to the temples and to pray. However, menstruation is a regular discharge of blood and mucosal tissue from the uterus's inner lining through vagina. It is a traumatic cycle including headaches, back pains, and several mood swings that every woman undergoes once a month. This biological process is natural and is necessary because women bleed to bring a new life into being. I believe that everyone has an equal right to worship their God, and that is why women should not have these limitations and this pattern of gender inequality should be stopped. However, coronavirus-related lockdowns were particularly helpful to women in India as different temples and its saints began offering online prayers and everybody including menstruating women participated in those prayers. With its online viewing options, it was possible for the menstruating women to challenge the addressed issue of gender disparity and the significance of religion. Thus, everyone, even menstruating women, followed their religion and broke the taboo.